All right. I think one of the biggest challenges for working moms are working moms who also want to breastfeed. It's something that I'm really grateful I was able to do last time. I'm hoping to do it this time. We all know things don't always go according to plan, but our lactation consultant has prepared me with some of the best things to prepare to go back to work. And so this is some of our breastfeeding things that I have gotten. One of the best things she has found is this wearable breast pump. It's something that's really helpful. Once your supply is in and steady, you're not going to want to use this in those first couple months, but it is a much more affordable option than some of the original wearable breast pumps that come on the market. So it's really great. Let's see if we can get it open for you. Maybe, maybe not. Woo, there we go. See, it really is brand new. And so they're pretty small breast pump that you can wear. If you work in the healthcare industry, these can be really nice because you can do it while you document. Or even if you just need some pumping options for home while you do laundry or things like that, this is a more affordable wearable breast pump option. A couple other things that were really helpful to me the first time around was a really good pumping bag. So I love this bag because it's really easy to be cleaned, but it has a spot for both a cooler for your breast milk to drive home with, and then a spot on the other side for your pump. So I use the Spectra pump. I've been really happy with it. Your insurance will usually cover it for you. But pro tip, if you're on a second baby, have a lactation consultant make sure your Spectra is still in good shape, and then you can use your insurance funds for something like a wearable pump. So I was able to keep my Spectra pump from my first baby, and for the second one, we got a wearable option so that I can have both options. Other good things to be prepared for are a clean sanitary bag for your pump parts as you clean them throughout the day at work. And then also I have gotten some hot cold relief packs that can be really helpful in those early months as your body's adjusting to breastfeeding. So we don't want to advocate buying everything on the market, but it is really good to just be prepared. This is one of the reasons I love the prenatal lactation visits, is they can talk to you about what your personal goals are, plans are, if you're planning on being back at work sooner rather than later, and you can set yourself up for success.